Babalik Iloilo. So bukas, sige, balik kayo bukas. I'm not sure yet. Syempre, we're busy. Ilang days, weeks na lang before the concert, and we're focused on that. Hindi pa namin alam kailan kami makaka-out of town. So, abang-abang na lang kayo. Malay mo, biglaan sa Iloilo na kami next week. Kung magka-cosplay ako, sinong character ang gagayahin ko? Si Virgil from Devil May Cry. Kasi pares kami buhok ngayon. Yes, sir! Sabi ni Cloud, nakapunta na ba kayo before sa Davao? Yes! We've been to Davao City before. Yeah, we've been. Sana pag nakabalik kami sa Davao, nandun ka. Magkapalit ka na ng hair sa concert. Yes, sa concert magpapa-transparent hair color ako. Nandun. Sino ba ito nagpapa-shoutout na to? Loko ka. Bad yan, uy, bad. Ginagawa ko kayong motivation kaya na honor. Honor student ka, Liv. Congratulations. Ready na mag-fly from Davao si Shang. Okay. See you October 4. Guys, if wala pa kayong ticket, there's still time. There's still like 2 weeks. 2 weeks and a half. Or 3 weeks before our concert. Just go to ticketnet.com.ph. Pindutin nyo dun yung BGYO concert. Buy your tickets na, so hindi kayo maunahan ng seats. And see you there at the concert. Ang daming exciting na mangyayari sa concert. Meron kaming guests sa concert, guys. Aabangan nyo ang guest namin sa concert. Boy group din sila, boy group. May boy group na magpe-perform sa concert namin, guest. Sila yung sobrang galing nila, as in singing, dancing, all that. Pero wala pa silang song. Yes. Clue starts with letter A. That's the clue. Next letter is letter M. And then the next letter is letter B. Ang galing nyo naman manghula. Yes, ang Ambon po ay magpe-perform sa concert namin. Mag-release sila ng debut single nila. It's gonna be exciting kasi sila yung mga idol namin. Dati pa. Sila yung mga iniidola namin. Tsaka nila namin nakuha yung paano sumayaw, paano kumanta. Ganon. Abangan yan. Si Coach Jerwin, may sing and dance solo prod pa yan, after mag-perform ng Ambon, may solo prod si Jerwin Nicomedes. Kita tayo sa concert, guys. Abangan nyo yun, abangan nyo yun, Ambon. Yes, share the live, Damasi. Kira. Share the live daw. Yes, share this live para mas dumami pa tayo. And the more the merrier. So good. Napanood nyo na ba yung live performance ng Headlines?
I want you to stay.
Kung di pa napapanood, meron ng Headlines performance video, and of course, ang dance practice ng Headlines ay lumabas na. Konya Sayas, thank you. Wana, thank you. Ako Celine, thank you. Thank you for sending rose. Nakakalimutan ko lagi. May nag-send pala. Crispy Pata. Wana, thank you again for the rose. Ang daming sinesend ni Crispy Pata. Ako Celine, thank you. Ako Celine. Levi the Hokage. Konya Sayas. Lex Yuno. Mga OG. Madami mga OG dito. Ako Celine, Konya Sayas. Ezekiel, the concert is gonna be on October 4. So if you're free, come join us. You can get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Yes, sir. See you at the concert. Wana, thank you. Teen, I am .pretty. Thank you. Levi the Hokage. Thank you. Aya, Atlani, thank you. Oh yeah, we will be at the Wish Bus tomorrow at Centris, Eton Centris, 6 p.m. See you there if you have time. Wena, Konya Sayas, thank you. Excited na sa new EP niyo. Excited na din ako sa new songs. One of my favorite songs ay part ng EP. So, excited! Damn! Thank you. Thank you.
I seen a world and a smile. I seen a bad life. I hope you.
Uuwi ba ako for the concert? What do you mean uuwi? Where are you ba right now? Are you outside the country? Uuwi ka sa Philippines, you mean? Tara na, nood ka na concert. Let's go. October 4, ticketnet.com.ph. You can get your tickets there. Sandy Rain, thank you. Sengoku. We go back to black hair. You know, I was checking my old photos. Sabi ko, nakamiss yung black hair ko. Pero, I don't think I'll be going back to black hair anytime soon. My scalp is dying, pero, you know, I like the white hair. I like the platinum hair. My hair is platinum, but then nagpa-fade yung kulay niya. That's why it looks like, ano, nagba-blonde, light blonde, whatever siya. As you can see, after a couple of days now, nagpa-fade yung color. I don't know why. I'm using purple shampoo naman and all that. Yeah. Tito Corner, thank you. Mickey, bleaching is the worst actually. I'm good with bleaching. So much of my time. Takes so much of my time. Please. I had that hairstyle before. Check mo. I had super long hair before, like super, yeah. Hello, Ja. Nanonood ka na ba ng Demon Slayer? Yes! Last night, napanood ko na yung Demon Slayer finally kasi nasa Thailand ata kami nun when the movie was released. I didn't have time in Bangkok to watch Demon Slayer, so sakto, buti na lang I checked the malls kung may Demon Slayer pa. Buti meron pa and I was able to watch with my best friend, so yeah. Time. Tracy, Casey, Tracy. Thank you, Casey, for the rose. Right. Pinapatanong ni Nate kung ano mga binili mo sa England. Oh, wala. Ano mga binili ko sa England? I bought 2 bags. So sweet, and you're looking at me. I bought 2 bags sa Birmingham. There was this store, sobrang daming good fashion stuff. Nakabili ako dun ng 2 bag. What else did I buy sa you sa Birmingham? I think that's it. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So I'ma hold you, baby. Mwah. You can't let a sweet thing pass you through. Meow. You could spread your wings and open up. Mickey Boy, thank you. Christine, thank you. Sian Uy, thank you. Love my earrings? Me too, I love my earrings. This is from Bangkok. It's heart siya. Pimple ako. Bam! 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 On and on and on and on and on. When you're looking at me, I candy and a little bit longer. Candy, sweet. When you're looking at me. Ang title ng song, this one is Eye Candy from Swag 2, Justin Bieber. JB! Kamusta naman yung na-meet namin si Noel? Yes, Noel. First time we met Noel was in Dream Warrior concert with Boss. We saw Noel there and we got to chit-chat and all that. The second time we met was in Cubao. Yeah, we had dinner with Boss and Noel. Tapos pagland talaga nila, like gutom na gutom sila, and you know, pinakain namin sa kanila sisig, no, Filipino food, you know what I'm saying? Tapos nagustuhan nila yung sisig. Shout out Noel and Boss, we miss you guys. Ah yeah, we met Noel pala sa Summer Sonic S2. We watched him perform before he left. Busy guy, sobrang busy. Boss and Noel, busy guy. And we were with Boss naman watching the main stage after our performance.